Hey guys, it's Kim here from YourChicGeek.com, and I don't even know why I'm like making this introduction like this, but I wanted to just come in really quickly today to just show you guys, for those of you who have purchased, and first off, thank you so much. I hope that you really get out there and rock it out with your Canva graphics packs and also the blog branding kits. So for those of you though that have purchased these kits from me and these graphics from me, I wanted to do a quick video tutorial just to show you guys how to download and edit and make modifications to the templates. Okay, so of course, just depending on which one you've purchased, here we go. So for the first one that I'm going to show you how to edit, it's going to be, well, first off, even before I jump into editing these templates, what you have to do is you have to go over to canva.com, which is it's free. You don't have to use the paid version, but you have to go over to canva.com to sign up for an account. It's going to keep logging me in here because let's see here, I'm going to sign out. But yeah, just go hit to canva.com, sign up for a free account, and you should be able to make modifications to these templates using the Canva, the free version, and Canva, the paid version, which is Canva for Work. Okay, so first off, you have to do this before you can even start editing and modifying these templates. The second thing that you want to do is, depending on which template set you've gotten, each one of them are going to come as a PDF file. Okay, so for example, if you just purchase the Canva graphics pack, then you're just only going to get that one PDF. Okay, and this is what the PDF looks like. You don't have to do any modifications to this PDF. You don't have to convert this. You don't need to do anything to this PDF. All you need to do is just open the PDF. You download it and then you open the PDF. Okay. Of course, I have here in yellow, because this is super important, guys, super important, is before you start making any customizations and anything like that, these are the instructions and all that kind of stuff that you need to go through. So the first things first is, again, you want to sign up for Canva.com. I just went over that. Then once you sign up for Canva.com, you want to log in to your account. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to log into my Canva account because it's already it already has me logged in. Okay, so I'm going to log into my Canva account. All right, so the second thing is you want to, from your PDF of the template pack that you purchased, you want to click on the link of the template that you want to access. Okay, so as you can see here, there are, what, I think about 5 templates. So you have the Instagram template, the blog post, the Twitter template, Facebook, and Pinterest. So for example, if you wanted to make edits to the Instagram template, all you need to do is click on this link. Okay, and then it should take you over to Canva. Okay, and these are the 2 templates that you're going to get access to. Now, before you make any edits, guys, please remember this. Before you make any edits to these templates, what you want to do is go over to File, and then you want to go to Make a Copy. Okay. All right, so after you have downloaded the templates or you've clicked on the link of the template that you want to edit, now you want to do all of your good stuff and change colors and things like that, then the only thing that you need to do is up here at the top where it says design title is to put your brand name and then dash Instagram, just to kind of let you know, alert yourself, and just not alert yourself, but just to let you know that when you log into Canva that, hey, Your Chic Geek, this is your Instagram template, okay, that you can edit and blah, 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 blah. So your brand name, mine is Your Chic Geek dash Instagram, and then click done, okay? And so that's pretty much it. Then from there, you should be able to click in here, to go in here, make changes, you know, do your colors. You see how I just changed that? Change up the text here, add your own quotes, add your site name at the bottom. And then this is one of the other images. So for instance, if you didn't really want to use this image with these flowers and stuff like that, maybe you found something from one of the stock photo sites that I've mentioned in your Canva graphics pack that you want to use, then all you need to do is just go over here in Canva, click upload, then click upload images. And I'm just going to go to my downloads folder because I should have some images in here that I've downloaded from the web that I want to use. Okay, so let's see if I can find one really quickly. Okay, so say if I wanted to use this image with this pineapple, I don't know, I don't know, kind of weird, but if I wanted to use this image with a pineapple, so all I'm going to do is click on this image. I'm going to click open to upload this into the back end of Canva. Okay, so once it's finished, you'll know because this little water thing is going to come all the way to the top, and it's going to be basically finished. Okay, so it's done. So if I wanted to use this as a background image in this, then all I need to do is just click on this to select it, and then I'm going to take this and drag this over to the background. So you saw that? Boom. So now this is my background image, right? And so that's all you have to do, basically. So I'm just going to undo that. But that just shows you how you can go in to make modifications to the template. Now, the same process applies for all of the other templates, guys, in this graphics pack. You have to make sure that you make a copy of the templates before you do edits to them, okay? All right, so now let's go over to the other pack, which is the one for the blog branding kit. It's pretty much the same process, okay? So this is the one that I am giving in the it's one of the ones that I know that I'm selling as a limited time offer, that you can get this with the you can get the Canva graphics pack, plus you can get the blog branding kit, I think, for a limited time for a special price. So anyways, in order to access the templates for the magenta blog branding kit, because this is the one that I'm giving away and that I'm selling, all you need to do is the same thing. So you're going to download this PDF file. You don't want to edit it. You don't want to make any modifications. You don't want to convert this to a Word document. You want to leave it as is. And so once you get this, you're just going to open this, okay? And this is what the PDF looks like. All right, so we're going to follow the same process. Again, before you make edits, you have to log into Canva. Once you log in, you just click on the link to the template that you want to edit. So for example, if I wanted to edit the ebook template, okay, that comes with this blog branding kit, all you need to do is click on this, and it should take you over to this actual template in Canva. Okay, so this is what the template looks like. As you can see, this is the cover page, this is the table of contents, this is the introduction, this is where you can add your image, this is another introduction here, and this is a quote, this is chapter 1, and so on and so forth. Okay, but before you make any kind of customizations and changes, remember, you have to go over here to File. You want to go to Make a Copy, because you want to make a copy of this before you edit it. And then again, you just come up here where it says Design Title, click on the name, and then you want to just do your brand name. So I'll do Your Chic Geek, okay? 5-page ebook template. And I'm going to click Done. Now, after you do this, this is where you can come in and start making your different edits. So again, if you want to change up your colors, you just click to hover over the different colors and stuff on this ebook, on the ebook cover. You can come over here. And so for instance, if you don't really like the purple, you want to change this to blue, boom, you just change it to blue. And I think that looks really good, y'all. I don't know about you, but yeah. So if you want to change that to blue, you can change it to blue. If one of your colors in your palette is like this greenish color, you can change it to this green, and so on and so forth. So you can just go through this book and you can actually make this the way that you want it. Just brand it the way that you want. So again, if if your brand doesn't have purple in it, great, change it. There you go. Okay, and so on and so forth. All right, so that's all you need to do to make edits to these templates. So again, it's the same process for all of the templates in here. Now, I did run into an issue earlier today where and I'm so grateful that she did reach out to me about it, because for some reason, I don't know, the other pack that I have available for you guys to use, I don't know, it was acting weird. So I just basically had to go in and use a fresh set of templates. But again, this is the big thing, and one of the big reasons why it's so important to make sure that before you make edits to these templates, please make a copy of them and then rename them to something that you can recognize when you log into Canva. So again, the same goes for the workbook template. I'm going to click on this just really quickly to show you how to edit it. Okay, so this is the workbook template. Okay, this is the whole shebang. You have your table of contents, you have your introduction, you have a little checklist here, a quote, a Q&A section, and then a thank you page. Okay, so the same goes for this template. So you just basically want to go over here to File, Make a Copy, because you have to make copies before you do your edits. Then up here, you want to change the name. So If I want to change this, I'm just going to back this out and I'm going to do your chic geek dash, okay, and click done, and that's it. Now, as a heads up, and this is why I love Canva, guys, is that anytime that you want to use these graphics as templates for any of your projects. So for instance, if you were creating a workbook that you wanted to use to give away to your students who are enrolled in courses, or if you wanted to create a workbook as a lead magnet that you can use, that you can use to give away from your site, then it's the same thing. The only thing that you need to do is just to go to File and make a copy, and then you can use this for your ongoing projects. This is the power of Canva. This is why I love it so much, is because it's such a flexible system and it allows me to reuse my templates that I create over and over again for different projects, okay? So as you can see, if I wanted to maybe use this for, I don't know, let's see, Your Chic Geek, shades of magenta, let's see, workbook template, I don't know, course, let's see, branding course, I don't know. So maybe I'm creating a branding course, right? And I want to use this as a workbook to give my students. Then you can just rename this to reflect whatever it is that you want to use this for. You click done, and then this is where you can come and start creating and just doing your edits and, adding your own flavor or adding your own stuff to this. And that's pretty much it though. So guys, if you have questions or if you run into any issues or if you have any concerns with using these templates, please, by all means, feel free to reach out to me. But I hope that this tutorial was helpful in helping you see just how powerful Canva can be. And then for those of you who want to learn how to do more advanced more advanced the designs and things like that on your own, of course, as always, likes Canva Action, you can head over to check that out. And then you can also head over to check out the Blazing Branding Academy, because I do have a lot of video tutorials in there that show you how to do some other stuff too, okay? But I hope this was helpful, and I hope that this answers any questions that you guys have. Again, if you have problems, hit your girl up, let me know. But have fun with this. I really want to see some of your designs. I want to see what you guys are doing out there. And again, I'm super appreciative and I'm grateful to any of you who have bought these templates, who are using them for your business. And I really hope that these help you brand your business like champs, okay? But you guys take it easy and have a good one. And talk to you guys later.